Through the Y platform, enterprises can unlock AI Pundit's design-to-code capabilities, generating clean, production-ready code. It's secure, scalable, seamlessly integrated into your enterprise workflows. Let me show you how it works. Let's create a new project. Let me add a project name, define the project in description section. Let it be a bit descriptive. I'll add screens and add the end date for the project. I'm going to select on the new design system creation, and I'm thinking of creating it with Material UI. Then I'm going to select the open source side of things. So we would be getting two options. It would be Material UI open source, or it could be paid components which Material UI gives us, that is NUIX. But I would be going ahead with Material UI. Now we have to put the name of our design system, and I'm going to make it Omega Design System. Once that is done, I need to define who my manager, who my designer, who my developer, and who my viewer is going to be for this particular project. Let me click on next. Once I have clicked on next and saved the project, I would be given a product tour where I would be taken through where the project is, where all the screens are like, and it would be descriptive enough to tell me what all things are there for me to understand in this creation. Now once that is done, I would be now clicking on copy link from Figma and clicking on the new screen section and pasting it there for Figma to code generation. Once that is clicked, I would get a quick preview of what screen I have selected, and the process will start. I would be able to see the process in detail. Now, if it is checking if the design is existing or the design tokens are similar to earlier responses, and as this is our first response, it would skip ahead and go to next steps. It would give a very dynamic input of each and every step which it is taking us through. Now it is going through the designs. And while we are at it, I'll just quickly show you what sort of creation is happening in background. I'm also able to see colors extracted, fonts extracted, the font family extracted from the designs, Figma designs in subsequent steps. I'm also able to see the corner radius, the spacing which was there in the design. And while this step is going on, I can also see it is assembling the application for me with the architecture which is needed as that screen is being inserted. And this is a step-by-step process where each interaction, each flow which is happening in this particular space is being showcased to the user, that is you, and you would be able to see what is happening in real time. The generation of a whole screen, which I have shared here, usually takes close to 7 minutes of time. And that is where the user messaging is what we have showcased here. Now, what is happening is it is rendering the components, and the real browser environment validation is also happening. If it is right in responsiveness, if it is right in the alignment, all the colors which are selected or what colors which are picked up from design are proper or not. In between as well, you would be also able to see options of getting the design. Now, this is the Figma design which was there, which we have shared, and this is the result which we have got. So this is very close to what we had created, and as we were inserting a quick animations and quick options for us to show, it has also created a good animations between it based on our selections, and this is the output which we are getting. I hope this gives you a glimpse of what is smarter and a more connected way to accelerate your front-end development across your enterprise. Visit Wine.com to explore how your enterprises can move from ideas to designs to code and finally to launch, all in one intelligent flow.